Understanding the purchasing habits of consumers can give your marketing an edge against the competition. It'll keep your customers coming back with little effort. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss marketing tactics that impacts the consumer psyche. The first rule of marketing is to know your customer. Understanding psychology and incorporating factors of human behavior into marketing strategy brings valuable insight to the consumer decision-making process and promotes brand loyalty. Here is where we get down to the consumer behavior basics. Understanding the buyer decision process. There are 5 stages of the consumer decision-making process. They need recognition, information search, alternative evaluation, purchase decision, and post-purchase evaluation. Take advantage of this process by creating a new need, assist in product research, show company comparisons, and ask for consumer feedback. Take advantage of impulse purchases. The neocortex in the human brain controls obsessive-compulsive type behavior and flight or fight responses. These factors initiate impulse purchasing. Research shows that 84% of respondents have made impulse purchases, 54% have spent $100 or more on an impulse purchase, and 20% have spent at least $1,000 on an impulse purchase. Here is a pro tip that you can incorporate. Use the word now in your ads to trigger impulse purchases. Including now implies a sense of urgency that can drive a reactionary impulse purchase. Utilize the foot in the door technique. Agreeing to a small request increases the likelihood of agreeing to a second, larger request. Encourage an email sign-up and free trials. Now here is where we stimulate the senses. Attraction is a powerful influencer. Sensory stimulation can pull in consumers and keep them loyal to a brand. Choose provocative and powerful imagery. The human brain processes visual images faster than text. Social media posts with images result in a 650% higher engagement rate than text posts. Drive marketing recognition by creating visually engaging material. Know the relationship between colors and human behavior. 62% to 90% of impulse decisions are based on colors alone. Here is a pro tip. Use colors purposefully in designs. Use language that promotes trust and reliability. The right words can strengthen a consumer's trust in a brand. These are 5 words that can help promote trust. Authentic, guaranteed, official, loyal, and certified. Now here is where we evoke emotions. The orbitofrontal cortex, the part of the brain that facilitates the feeling of emotions, is found to struggle with making the simplest decisions based on logic alone. Trigger strong emotions. Joy, endearment, sadness, and excitement are some emotions that resonate deeply with consumers. For example, a campaign from a company deciding to provide disaster relief for a certain area affected from a hurricane in order to boost sales. Use exclusivity to lure consumers. Marketers can appeal to a consumer's self-esteem by making them feel important. Incorporate limited time offers, membership programs, and wait lists. And last but not least, enhancing experiences. The internet and new technology have given brands more ways than ever to connect and engage with consumers. Create a brand personality that resonates with consumers. Brand personality refers to human characteristics to a brand to make it more relatable and memorable to increase brand loyalty. Here is a pro tip. Look to create a relatable brand identity that can be personally embraced. For example, Coca-Cola, their key characteristics are happiness, enjoyment, and community. Their slogan is "Taste the Feeling." Employ new technology, augmented reality. Augmented reality is an enhanced interactive version of a real-world environment achieved through digital visual elements, sounds, and other sensory stimuli through holographic technology, such as Pokémon Go. Marketers use augmented reality to create a platform for consumers to interact with brand images and products through their mobile devices. Understanding human psychology and applying various marketing strategies can give companies a competitive edge that can help them gain new customers and keep them loyal. Bring out your ambition, and these steps will guide you to a path of marketing success. Helping people provide a solid foundation for a more secure financial future. One video at a time. We appreciate you tuning in and hope to see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to click on one of our other videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time on Top 5 Hive.